Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your TikTok for you feed preferences, content control step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner to go to your account page. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the main menu. Select Settings and Privacy to access all account controls. Scroll to the section called Content and Display and tap Content Preferences. Tap Manage Topics to tell TikTok what you want to see more or less of. Browse the topic list slowly and choose a topic you recognize. Move the slider toward More if you want that topic to appear more often. Move the slider toward Less if you want that topic to appear less often. Repeat the slider adjustment for every topic that matches your interests. Go back one screen to return to Content Preferences. Tap Filter Video Keywords to block videos containing certain words or phrases. Tap Add Keyword and type a word you do not want in your For You feed. Choose whether the keyword applies to the For You feed, following feed, or both, then save. Add multiple keywords for themes you want to avoid, like spoilers or specific trends. Review your keyword list and remove any keyword that blocks too much content. Return to Content Preferences again and tap Restricted Mode if you want extra filtering. Toggle Restricted Mode on and follow the prompts to set a passcode. Use a passcode you will remember, because you need it to turn the mode off later. Now go to your For You feed and long press on a video you do not like. Tap Not Interested to train TikTok to show fewer videos like that. If a specific creator is the problem, tap Block to stop seeing that account. If a sound or hashtag is causing unwanted content, select options to hide similar items when available. Tap Share on a video and choose Report if the content violates TikTok rules. Repeat Not Interested consistently for a few days to make the feed change faster. Avoid watching videos you dislike to the end, because watch time increases similar recommendations. Search for topics you do like and watch several related videos to strengthen positive signals. Check Content Preferences again weekly and fine-tune topics and keywords as your interests change. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.